What's up everyone, this is Broccoli X Beats and today we will be discussing another supplement that most of us are confused whether to take or not. The name of the supplement is multivitamin. What are the things that you need to see before placing the order? It is absolutely safe for everyone. There is no side effect because like the name suggests, multivitamins and minerals, they are micronutrient. Micro का मतलब they are really small, really tiny in quantity, and the vitamin that you're going to be taking, it would have trace amount of vitamins and minerals. उसका मतलब होता है कि it is not even 1 gram, it is in milligram. So how do you choose the right multivitamin? A good multivitamin should have these 7 essential vitamins and minerals. The first one is iron, the second is folate that we also call vitamin B9, third is vitamin B12, fourth is calcium, fifth is magnesium, sixth is vitamin D, and the last is zinc. So quickly let's talk about the minerals. वो क्यों important होते हैं, what happens with the deficiency and what are their function. तो पहला है iron. What iron do is its function is really important for the production of hemoglobin in our body, and yes, it carries oxygen throughout our body, and the deficiency of iron may lead to fatigue और cognitive impairment भी होता है इससे. मतलब आपको जो आपका brain to body connection है, it goes a little foggy. Another essential vitamin is folate that is known by the name vitamin B9. अब इसका function क्या होता है कि vitamin B9 it helps in the metabolism of amino acid. Now the third vitamin is vitamin B12 that is also known as cobalamin. This vitamin helps in new cell growth and yes, it supports our immune system and makes it better. इसकी deficiency आपको पता कैसे चलेगी? When you will have a loss of appetite, as in आपको भूख ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगी, तो there might be a possibility that you are deficient in vitamin B12. And other deficiencies of vitamin B12 is sore tongue. अगर आपके अल्सर्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं आपके टंग पे, तो भी vitamin B12 आप deficient हो सकते हो. Now comes the other vitamin, that is calcium. Calcium helps in maintaining and building strong bones. That is the main function of calcium, but other than this it also helps in maintaining a regular heartbeat and also prevents blood clotting. और जो इसकी deficiency होती है, इसकी deficiency से of course there is a chance that you would have decreased bone density over the years. Now comes another multivitamin and that is magnesium. It regulates more than 300 functions in our body including your digestion, your sleep, your ग्रोथ हार्मोन प्रोडक्शन, जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है इफ़ यू वांट टू डेवलप मसल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बोन ग्रोथ, क्योंकि जो कैल्शियम होता है उसका अपटेक या फिर एब्जॉर्प्शन इट हाईली डिपेंड्स ऑन द मैग्नीशियम. जो सेकेंड लास्ट विटामिन है वो है जिंक. जिंक इज लाइक द ब्रदर ऑफ मैग्नीशियम दैट सपोर्ट्स रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेसेस इन ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड ऑल्सो इट improves your metabolism. तो अगर आपके जिंक लेवल अच्छे हैं, you will have a good metabolism. That means you will have a good capability of digesting the food that you are consuming on a regular basis. And the deficiency of zinc might have some adverse effect on your healing process. तो अगर आपको कोई चोट लगती है and if you're not healing quickly, that means आप deficient हो सकते हो zinc में. Low testosterone is another major reason. It might also be a major reason for your reduced sexual adaptations. तो zinc level अच्छे होने चाहिए. So now comes down to the last vitamin, that is vitamin D, also known as calciferol. Vitamin D3 बहुत ज़्यादा essential vitamin होता है and the worst part is that more than 75% or maybe 80% of people are deficient in vitamin D. And people are deficient in vitamin D is because food sources में vitamin D इतने ज़्यादा amount में नहीं होता है. I would say optimal dosage of vitamin D is somewhere 100 mcg or maybe 4000 IU in a day. So the deficiency includes low testosterone levels, soft bones, skeletal deformities. So these were the 7 essential vitamins and minerals that should be present in a multivitamin. Hope you liked the video. Hope you got something new out of it. If you're new to the channel, it will be awesome if you hit that subscribe button और इसे like भी कर दो and do comment जो भी आपके queries हैं related to any multivitamin that you took in the past. It is always advisable that if the scenario is adverse, always consult a doctor, get yourself tested, and then proceed accordingly.